Welcome back, everybody. The Griddle More Tour 2022 is complete. I'm back home working on some deck projects, trying to spruce up my griddle area. The tour was so much fun. I met thousands upon thousands of people from Griddle Nation. Shout out to all you guys and girls. And we cooked up so much food, literally thousands of pounds of food. We started way out in Hollywood, California, and we finished a few days ago in Long Island, New York. So a shout out to our social media department. Here we go, Griddle More Tour 2022. Are you ready?
Ready.
For some fun?